If you're experiencing a login failure with the error code 2026 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router if necessary. Step 3. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary login issues. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3 installed. Check for updates through gaming platform Steam, GOG, etc., and install any available patches. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Baldur's Gate 3. This can fix corrupted files that might be causing the login failure. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.